Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to duplicate clips in CapCut PC step by step. This is very easy to do, but it depends on what you want. Do you want to duplicate the whole clip or only a part of clips? If you want to duplicate just a segment, you need to split the clip first. Simply move the playhead to the part that you want. For example, like this over here, and then just tap on split this icon, or you can also press Ctrl plus B like this. And now let's say I want to duplicate this segment. So just right click on these segments and then just choose copy this one, and then next just move your cursor to where you want the clip to appear. For example, I will choose over here, and then just right click again and then just click paste like this, and CapCut will add a duplicated clip to the layer above like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.